So here's how to make website on Shopify for print on demand. But before we start, if you want to try out Shopify for free, click on my link down in the description. So once you're here on this page, open the Shopify pricing page in a new tab. Here, you can see all the available plans. And to try it for free, just click on my link in the description. After that, sign up or log in. Now, go to the left panel and click on Add Apps. Click on Shopify App Store below. On this page, go to the search bar and type in Printful. Open Printful Print on Demand from the suggestions. Then, click on Install. Click Install again to confirm. Once installed, sign in to your Printful account or create one if you don't have an account already. As you can see, you are now in the Printful homepage. You can now choose your products from here. And that is exactly how to make website on Shopify for print on demand.